Hi guys, good evening. I am Maria Teresa Mindoy and I will discuss with you my business portfolio overview. Three Story Company is a full-service event planning and management company dedicated to create seamless and memorable experiences. Our portfolio our portfolio showcase our expertise in organizing wide range of events from corporate function and social gathering to private celebration and the media parties. What are the Three Story Company offers? We offer event planning management, venue selections, event design and decor, catering and hospitality, entertainment and production, logistics and coordination. We also have our add-ons like custom solution like special effects, branding, and interactive elements. I can discuss with you my final output about our business portfolio. Our goal is to deliver a well-executed, stress-free event that exceeds expectation with a focus on quality, creativity, and precision. We turn vision into reality, ensuring every occasion is a remarkable success. The next is I would like to answer the 13 questions that is needed to be answered. I would like to make it short, so I would like to say all the answers that I have been working on. So first, my answer about event concept. We create a unique themes and format tailored to your needs. Second is about how is the event proposal. We craft detailed proposals to bring your visions to life. Third, event program. We design structured schedules for smooth event flow. Fourth is about event venue. We find the perfect venue that fits to your event. And then fifth, event budget. We manage budgets efficiently to maximize your value. Sixth is the event risk. We always plan ahead. To minimize and handle risk. 7. Event protocol. We ensured proper protocol and procedures and etiquettes. 8. Event objectives. We are always aligning our events goals with strategic planning. 9. Event supplier selection. We choose reliable and high quality vendors. 10. Event communication. We streamline communication for seamless coordination. 11. Event stress management. We always handle pressure so you don't have to. 12. Event clearance. We always manage necessary approvals and special permits. Lastly, event audience size. We assess venue capacity and guest management.